test results for two classes are shown below. Comment on the shapes of the distributions for each class. Well, if we look at class A, then that's fairly symmetrical. But if we look at class B, that's most of the data at this end and then less data at this end. That's called a negative skew. We want to complete the table below for class A. So the lowest mark I can see is 57. The highest mark is 92, which is the same for class B. So we now want the median. How many pieces of data do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pieces of data. So 15 add 1 divided by 2 is 8. The eighth piece of data is the median. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 74. That leaves me a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 below. 7 add 1 divided by 2 is 4. So the fourth piece of data is the lower quartile. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be 64. And the fourth piece of data in the upper list. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that one is 85. So we want the range. So we do 92 take away 57. That actually gives us 35, and that would be the same for both classes, as we pointed out earlier. Then the interquartile range for class A, we've got 85 take away 64. Which is 21. And then for class B, we'd have 91 take away 72. That gives me 19. We want to plot parallel box plots for the two classes below. So class A, we have a lowest of 57. So that's just going to be here. The highest is 92, which is over here. Then the lower quartile is 64. So the box is going to start there. Actually, just a tiny bit further over. Oh dear. And then the upper quartile is at 85. And the median at 74. So that's the box just here. You really should make more of an attempt to get this straight and use rulers and things. So that's class A. You should always label. Class B, we have the same minimum and maximum. The lower quartile is at 72. So the box starts around here. The upper quartile is at 91. So the box finishes right up here. And the median is 86. And so the box is here, and then we have a stalk at this end. We now want to calculate the mean score for class B. How does that compare to the median? So we just simply need to add all the data up. So what do we have? We've got a 57, and then a 63, and a 65, and a 72, and a 73, and a 78, and then an 84, an 86, an 87, 89, 91, second 91, and then 3 92s. And we've got to divide that by the number of pieces of data. Just count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's 15 of those, just as there was with Class A. And we get 80.8. So I'm just going to indicate that I'm doing 57 plus 63 plus and so on up to 92. Don't need to write them all down. And we're dividing by 15 and then 80.8. How does it compare to the median? So this was Class B, and it's going to be less than the median. So it's smaller than the median. We can see for Class B, which I should have actually labelled up here. And we can see there that that is at, I think it's at 86, which is above the 80.8